Hello guys, welcome back to Guitar Tips, and in this video we're gonna talk about on the Icarus. We are having this error called failure was encountered when trying to authenticate account. Please try again later, or fail to login error 044, and how we can fix this up. So let's dive into it. So actually, when you're trying to play the game, many of the users are having this issue and they have already reported. So if you ask me the question on how to fix this up, this is actually depends on the team, I mean the developers. They have to fix from their end, and they have already tweeted a couple of times over here. As you can see, they have already backed it up, but somehow they are still working on it. Even on December 4, they have mentioned that they're still working on it. So it's not yet fixed yet. So the solution to this is actually have to wait from the developers end so they can fix it up. So there is no actually fix for this has to be fixed from their end, and the game developers as well as the people who were in charge is actually looking for and how to fix this up. So this is what it's all about it. And also, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel Guitar Tips, and also I'll be providing a link in the description where you can read our website Guitar Tips. Also, we can navigate to many other topics like Android games, iPhones and iPads, social media, Windows, etc. So there are many topics right now on Icarus as well as on Century Ages of Ashes, and you can go for it. So that's what it's all about it, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.